Namandir. 9 innings, 150, 100 for him, averaging around 35. Done well this season. He's 23 years old, Namandir. Just reaching for that one, lovely.
लेकिन इस शॉट पे नजर रखिए, बल्लेबाज को हिलने की जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ी.
And now he says what Prabh Simran needs to step out and do, I can do it standing. How good is this cricket shot, Rajat Bhatia?
कमाल का शॉट. बिल्कुल भी बिना हिचकिचाए उसको बड़ा शॉट में कन्वर्ट कीजिए. ये लीजिए, स्वीप शॉट खेलते हुए और गैप ढूंढते हुए 4 रन मिलते हुए.
Once again playing well, taking the little route, lovely shot, playing with the turn. Naman now taking a cue from his partner.
जैसी देखा गेंद पाले मेरी, और ये खासियत रही है आज दोनों ही प्रारिक बल्लेबाजों की ना, जैसी गेंद उनके जोन में है ना, वो रन बनाए हैं वहां पे.
That's 4. That's drifting onto the pads. That's 150 for Punjab. And it's also Namandir's 50.
जी हाँ, 150 रन पंजाब के पूरे होते हुए और 50 रन नमनधीर के. ज़बरदस्त तरीके से इन्होंने अपने 50 रन पूरे किए. ये 4 रन जिस तरीके से इन्होंने मारा, थोड़ा बहुत आप अपनी लाइन से भटके चिराग जानी की इस खराब गेंदबाजी की वजह से.
Nicely played in the gap, piercing that gap with a lot of ease. Long chase for the fielder. That's going to be a 4.
और ये शॉट तो बहुत ही बढ़िया तरीके से खेलते हैं कवर्स के ऊपर से.
Once again taking the rule, lovely shot, lovely pickup shot. That excellent timing, and it's gone the distance.
स्टैंड एंड डिलीवर. जैसे ही देखा गेंद उनके जोन में है, बहुत जोर से मारने की कोशिश नहीं करी, वो सिर्फ टाइमिंग पे भरोसा रखा अपना. जबरदस्त शॉट.
Once again going upish and does pretty well. Lovely connection. What a shot. Made it look so simple on that occasion, Naman.
पिछली बार गेंदबाज के ऊपर से गए थे, तो इस बार लॉन्ग ऑफ और कवर्स के बीच में से एक बार फिर से वो क्रीज में खड़े खड़े सिर्फ दिशा दिखाई है गेंद को.
That'll go for 4. I've seen that go on. Is that's up in the air? Has he cleared it? He certainly has. What an outstanding cricket shot. He steps out, doesn't reach it, and yet with a flick of the wrist, clears the mid-wicket boundary. Special play. That's also gone for 4.
Going for the big one. That's the 100 for Naman. He's played so well. What a shot to get to that 100. Deserved that 100 the way he's batted. Full of authority, this man. The second 100 for him, coming in his first class career. And in what a way. Coming in style. Getting the applause, getting the appreciation from his teammates, the selectors, the coaches. He deserves it fully.
गेंद हवा में था और फील्डर ही मौजूद था, लेकिन उसके ऊपर से.
Yeah, it doesn't make a difference if he's got a man in the deep, because once he strikes well. There was a man stationed at deep mid wicket, just clearing that fielder with a lot of ease. That's Namandir.
327 runs before this match for Mandeep Singh.
He's coming back, goes for the big one. That's high up in the air. That's just near the rope, taken as well. That's outstanding catch. Outstanding catch there. These catches turn the complexion of the game. What an effort. Straight away, Dharmendra Jadeja just mentioned about him, that he's taken a very important wicket here. Never easy. Good thought there. Very nicely taken. Absolutely fantastic catch. To see the foot not touching the rope at all. Just keeping his balance there, his composure. Very near the rope, but nicely done. The red light is out, so that means he's got to go back. Yuvraj Dhodia was the field, outstanding effort on the field. What a catch. That is what you call brilliance on the field. That's the end of Naman Dheer. Disappointed.
जी हाँ, एक और इम्पॉर्टेंट विकेट गिरता हुआ और एक और बड़ी पारी समाप्त होती हुई। जिस तरीके से ये कैच पकड़ा है उस पर अगर नज़र डालेंगे, आखिरी समय तक बॉल पे निगाहें, कंट्रोल मैनर में इस कैच को समाप्त किया और श्योर किया कि आपका कोई भी पार्ट बाउंड्री के बाहर ना जाए। बड़ी पारी समाप्त होती हुई नमन धीर 131 रन बना के आउट हुए 266 फॉर 3।